Welcome to NASA Space News, your daily premier source for space exploration, innovation, and astronomy news and updates. SpaceX Starship 20 wings testing ahead of Raptor installation. SpaceX's first orbital-class Starship prototype was spotted stretching its wings on Sunday, after completing a successful cryogenic proof test late last week. Up next on Starship S20's path to launch is the reinstallation of 3 to 6 Raptor engines for the third time, ahead of a crucial static fire test campaign that could begin as early as Thursday, October 7th. Likely beginning with 1 to 3 Raptors, SpaceX will perform an unknown number of static fire tests, ultimately culminating in the first ignition of 4, 5, and 6 engines on any Starship prototype. If all goes well, that testing will also mark the first time Raptor Vacuum has been ignited on a Starship prototype and the first time SpaceX has ignited multiple Raptor variants, sea level and vacuum in this case, on the same vehicle. Stay tuned for updates on engine installation. SpaceX is preparing for a partial test of the separation mechanism. The section built to test the stage separation system is set to head into the mid-bay, likely for mating with a hybrid aft section. This test is meant to examine the section responsible for latching Starship and Super Heavy together and deploy the ship in flight. Rocket Lab SpaceX land $39 million in Space Force contracts. The Space Force awarded Hawthorne-based Space Exploration Technologies Corp. and Long Beach-based Rocket Lab USA Inc. contracts for rocket testing and development as part of the Space Force System's Command Space Enterprise Consortium, the agency announced September 24th. SpaceX secured nearly $14.5 million, and Rocket Lab was granted nearly $24.4 million. That's it for today. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for all future updates.